kinglet's making fun of me. Oh, there's a really disgusting patch of bull grundly mushrooms in this exact moment. Cool.
Sorry, you told me not to make myself the main character.
Oh.
Oh no.
Cute. No.
Is it full?
Yeah. I'm gonna freeze to death! When I ordered the quail shirts, our printer was out of the color we usually print these on. I secretly, but not so secretly, like this one better. We just had to get this for mediums for a convention, but now I have extras, so I have to sell them. I'm gonna freeze to death.
You look good.
Thanks. We finished our work, so now we get to go look at birds before the sun goes down. It's basically down. But now we have to carry this whole bag of stuff all the way back to the car because you can't park by this trail for whatever reason. It's cold also. But we're in the forest and now we get to walk to the beach. It's kind of bananas. They closed the park. I'm all for, you know, Hughie, right? Getting comfy, getting cozy with the warm weather. The dark time or whatever they say. But I was excited to go look at some ducks on the beach after my hard work. But they closed the park because the sun is down. If I want to get lost at sea, that's my prerogative, I think, personally. We're gonna go look for a king eider. Apparently it's not a big deal here. It's a big deal to me. It's like my dream bird. They're like way, way up north. But apparently they like it here in Maine as much as we do. Also, I got a haircut. Looning out with his snack.
That's a little precarious.
Yeah, we'll go further down.
Jesus, just like out to the rocks into the sea.
We're here late in the day. Not good for birding. I found the eiders, but they're like way off the shore over there. But we're gonna try and see them anyway. Even if we can see them, I don't know if we'll be able to tell which one is which. Looks like a cypress to me. Look at the bark. It's so cool. Looks like a mosquito. We didn't find the king eider. The raft is too far away. I think he's in there, but that doesn't count. So we'll have to come back when it's not dark at 4 p.m. But we saw a lot of birds. We had a nice walk. Mergansers, lots of grebes.
Everybody follow, follow, follow.
I think you need to be closer.
Think so?
Yeah,
Okay.
like up where they normally are.
They don't want to commit.
Twig, twig, twig. Oh, no. Yeah.
You guys are dirty today. They wipe the ground clean, right? Oh, their poor feet are so cold.
Jesus! I tricked you.
Hello?
Can you go back with your friends?
No, he likes it on your head.
Well, I'm having my last Coke. We're gonna go to Cat Cafe. I don't know if it's a cat cafe, but we're gonna go look at cats and go to an open mic. I'm not gonna do anything, but we're gonna we're gonna watch our friend play music. Shout out. And then pet cats. And I might work on my cat stickers while we're there. Because the reference, it's right there, you know? So we'll see.
On the outside lights, Christmas lights, turn me on and won't forget. Would you believe that the monsters loitering in my mind? And in the night and
Now I need salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. Thanks, but I need the real salt and pepper. I
Oh,
have to-
like the whole. Oh, that's right.
Ooh.
Salt and pepper. You need to shake that up a little bit.
It might be a bit solidified.
I could at least get in there with like one of the small spoons.
Yeah, do you think? Because I don't. It's a brick of onion powder.
It's a mass.
These gonna be garlicky as hell, baby. That's what's on the recipe, but that's how we ended up making gravel that one time. I think it was too much pepper. Here's the recipe I'm following. It's from my friend Matt. I'm not gonna share his written recipe. I will share this version of his written recipe. Yeah, so if you need to read that.
Just glad I got that on camera.